launched at Bhubaneswar International Airport on the occasion of Biju Patnaik's birthday. On Sunday, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik decided to show Biju Babu's beloved Dakota plane to the public. From today, people can see this plane from nearby. After the launch of this plane, it is hoped that students, including common people, will know more about Biju Babu's bravery story. According to this, Chief Minister has also thanked the two analytical engineering students.
Devi Srilekha, I am from Andhra Pradesh and I am from Utkal Aerospace and Engineering, second year, and we really worked on this Dakota. We keep our heart and soul really to bring the previous look to the Dakota, and our complete college worked hard for this. Till yesterday we are working actually, but actually very glad to have this opportunity. Naveen Patnaik actually is our CM, and he is from many years actually working as CM, and his dedication etc. is awesome to the Odisha and our pride, that is Dakota actually.
Something about our Dakota women.
Dakota is actually belongs to our Biju Patnaik, actually from Indonesia, and everything history it have. And it came on January 18 to bring the previous look on this. Awesome, means speechless even, very glad to have this opportunity. Awesome, means no words even to express to have this opportunity.
Obviously ये हमारा प्राइड है, तो इसको जब लोग देखेंगे तो वो याद करेंगे बीजू पटनायक को. एंड ये डिपार्टमेंट उतना आगे आ रहा है, ये डिपार्टमेंट में हर लोग काम कर रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली हम लोगों का काम होता है कि पैसेंजर को हम लोग वो सिक्योरिटी दे. इतने सारे लोग एयरक्राफ्ट में जा रहे हैं, इतने सारे लोग का जान हमारे ऊपर रहता है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो लोग भी इंस्पायर होंगे.
The plane was brought to Bhubaneswar from when it landed to Kolkata. Within a month,
Biju Babu, he was a legendary leader, he was a freedom fighter. He was not only a politician, he was a statesman of the country. And during Indonesia's freedom struggle, he was given the award of Bhumiputra and also the highest civilian award from Russia. And he was the only politician in the country. When he died, the flags of 3 countries were fallen on his dead body. So he was a statesman of such a high stature that the ambassadors, the Prime Minister, the President of 3 countries came to India to pay the last respect and homage to Biju Patnaik.
to celebrate this movement, Minister Tukuni Sahu, Mayor Sulochana Das, Police DG Sunil Bansal and students of Aeronautical Engineering attend to the historical day.